Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with clean, detangled hair and the right clip. Choose a wide, strong clasp designed for long lengths. First, brush through from ends to roots to prevent catches. Then gather a top section roughly 1/3 of your hair's volume and hold it at crown level. With your free hand, smooth the section upward, aligning roots. Once gathered, position the clip teeth facing the scalp and prepare to clamp down firmly so weight distributes. Now you position the clip. Place it close to the roots where hair is strongest, angling the top slightly back to follow head shape. Gather the rest of the hair under the clip, twisting it into a smooth coil or fold so the bulk sits flat. This prevents slipping and reduces strain. Once aligned, close the clip with a firm, decisive snap. Test the hold by moving your head. If you feel slide, reopen and recoil the hair more tightly. Finish by tucking any loose ends under the clip and smoothing the visible surface so the style looks intentional. If you notice slipping, add 2 bobby pins at the base or apply a light mist of hairspray to the roots, and consider a clip with textured teeth or a silicone liner for better grip. If the clip pulls or causes discomfort, remove a few strands and reposition the clip a touch more forward. This reduces tension and keeps the shape secure without pain.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.